So I'm Alison Williams and I'm delighted to be the head teacher here at Penyrheol Primary School in Swansea on the Gower. Well, there is no substitute for expertise, and we can't all be excellent and exceptional in all areas. So whilst primary practitioners do tend to be able to teach across all areas of the curriculum, it's always welcome to work with an expert and for children to experience working alongside a real live artist, from advertising for an artist, in setting the questions for the interview, in shortlisting, in putting together the final candidates, and being part of that entire process was creative in itself. The Lead Creative School project very much links in with that ethos, where children are at the heart of the learning, where we begin by concrete learning experiences, where all children have the same experiences that they then go on to further explore and record and celebrate. So having that expert on site has been invaluable. Initially, my intention over many years has been to access funding to enable ongoing high quality professional development for all teachers and classroom assistants and everyone within the school team. I've always recognised that training is key to keeping our learning refreshed and vibrant and authentic for the children that we currently have. Increasingly, it's difficult to access funding to enable that to happen. So some of the best training opportunities that we've all had have been working alongside, not leaving school and having a development course, but rather working alongside fellow professionals on the school site. There's nothing better than seeing that learning in action in your own environment with your own children. So I feel that many staff, including myself, are more confident, more receptive to things that they can lead in their own classroom practice, but also we are fully motivated to try and access further funding to enable more of our classes to have these first-hand, immensely valuable opportunities. The children have been so engaged and enthusiastic with working alongside the artist that they chose. I think that was a very important factor because of their involvement in the advertising, the recruitment, the appointment. They were really invested in that project. This was the person they felt was most suited to them and their school. So straight away we have 100% engagement and enthusiasm. We also loved the whole creative process where nothing was prejudged, nothing was preset. It was fully led by pupil voice, by pupil ideas. And I witnessed some amazing creative lessons where the children were just exploring what could be the focus for this project. So I think children respond very well to having that opportunity to take control of their own learning and to decide what will be the focus for what they're doing in class and outside the classroom. It is about accessing things like the Lead Creative Schools project, which enables us to have the funding to recruit the experts, to work alongside our teachers, our staff and the children. That really brings that learning to life, and that is what we have celebrated so much through this project. You see a huge amount of published guidance from Welsh Government, but this is what it's about. It's about the learning in practice, the new curriculum in action, which is very exciting. It's a modest amount of money, but the structure of it and the support that you're given guides you through a process, and that support really enhances your own professional development. It enhances the learning experience for the children. There are such exciting things happening with the learning that is very much in keeping with my primary education philosophy.